Dude, what the heck, bro? They issued another SVR. Oh, tornado warning. They issued a tornado warning now. And another SVR. Yo, we got a tornado warning. Let's go. This is SVR down up there. Let's go. We got a tornado warning. It's going to be a double header. Let's go.
This is a radar hazard.
Look, Alvin issued a special order statement.
Flying debris is dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh, SVR from Quad City.
To those caught without shelter. Roofs. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Let's go. We got a tornado warning.
Likely windows and vehicles will occur near. U-10 damage around likely 50 p.m. This dangerous storm will be in Waterloo around 12.
Bro, I don't see the polygon.
Around Elkhorn and Waterloo around 12:55 p.m. Flanagan Lake Valley around Lake.
Let's go.
Western Omaha.
It's gonna be a double header because they issued an SVR.
Two Rivers State Recreation locations impacted by this thunderstorm include New Rivers State Recreation area, room on the lowest floor of a city building. Move to avoid window an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, mobile home, or avoid window. Move to the closest.
Dude, why is it taking so long to load?
Or in the vehicle. Move to the closest tornado warning and protect yourself from flying debris for the following counties. A tornado warning has been issued at 1:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Douglas and Saunders.
Bro, I don't see the tornado warning polygon. Dude, I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, there he is.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Johnson. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued
We got double header.
warning for northern Johnson, northeast and southeastern Nebraska.
Dude, what is happening? Oh my gosh.
Nebraska, northeast 12:45 and southeastern Nebraska.
Dude, why isn't the velocity loading?
12:44, 13 miles north of thunderstorm was located.
There we go.
5 miles northwest of Apple Orchard, or 13 miles northeast of
We got rotation. I don't know if there's rotation over there. It's not. There's no red.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter size damage to vehicles is expected. This is a radar indicated threat. Wind damage to roofs. Hail damage to
Observe.
vehicles is expected. Locations and tactics include wind damage to roof.
Oh, both of them say seven.
Locations and tactics include Douglas, Syracuse, Lanham, Crabbe, Orchard, Cook, Unadilla,
Okay.
Douglas.
Where's the polygon of the SVR? Oh, down here.
For tornado watcher means to infect the room on the lowest floor of a building. Nebraska. A tornado watcher means
Dude, what's going on?
on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watcher means thunderstorm warning.
Oh my goodness.
Southeastern Nebraska for the following counties. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued in all 1:30.
Gonna get Milwaukee.
Following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Johnson, and Odo. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Dude, what is happening?
Central Harrison.
What is wrong with you, Omaha?
Until